The video is starting in about 20 seconds, but make sure to watch until the very end to discover why pineapple may be the best post-workout snack, and watching until the end of this short video helps support our channel. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on those notifications, and comment down below saying I subscribed, and we'll make sure to respond as we post short videos every 2 days. Number 1. Pineapples can help improve your digestive system through some powerful compounds. One of these is called bromelain. Bromelain helps to break down proteins to their amino acid forms. Once proteins are broken down to this form, it helps your body to absorb it a lot more efficiently. This is extremely helpful for anyone who suffers from any kind of digestive issues or any complications with their pancreas. The pancreas is what helps us to make our digestive enzymes, so if that's not working to its full potential, then the bromelain in pineapple can assist it. Number 2. Pineapples can help to boost your mood. Pineapples contain an amino acid called tryptophan. Tryptophan is a precursor to a mood-regulating hormone called serotonin. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter which normalizes our mood and keeps us happy. Most mental health disorders are usually linked to a lower level of serotonin in the body, such as depression and anxiety. Some research even suggests that tryptophan to be a better alternative to antidepressant drugs. However, we recommend talking to your healthcare professional for more information. I guess it makes sense now why happy hour cocktails come with pineapples in a lot of drinks. Number 3. Pineapples contain a vast amount of super healthy vitamins and minerals which definitely help you to boost your immune system. The most obvious is vitamin C, which is found in many fruits. Vitamin C helps to boost your immune system and protect a protein in your body called collagen, which also helps to preserve your skin cells. Pineapples hold a huge amount of antioxidants which help to reduce free radical damage in the body. Free radical buildup in the body is also associated with a weaker immune system, and this will increase the chance of diseases in the body. Number 4. If you have joint problems, listen up. Pineapples are a natural anti-inflammatory that can help to relieve joint pain and even arthritis symptoms. That compound we spoke of earlier called bromelain also has anti-inflammatory properties which can ease joint pain. Since most of the joint pain has to do with inflammation in the body, the bromelain comes to the rescue and warding this off. Number 5. Finally, on the note of inflammation and bromelain, pineapple could be the key to recovering after an intense exercising session. Again, we have to give it to our MVP of this video, bromelain, for this. When we exercise, we build up tissue damage on our muscles, and this causes inflammation. Obviously, our muscles, once they have been used for a long period of time, cannot function as well as they normally do, and can be sore for a couple days after. Implementing something like pineapple after these intense exercises could reduce the recovery time, since the bromelain will act as an anti-inflammatory and can reduce tissue damage. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part, and we'll make sure to respond. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips, nutrition facts, and much more.